Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm Niharika.
And my name is Umisha and welcome back to our channel.
So as you all know, Big Hit has been dropping some hints since a week now, and the whole fandom was in a mess during this week thinking whose song will it be, whose album will it be, whether it's gonna be Jungkook or it's gonna be Yoongi. And today the wait was over. Big Hit dropped the music video and the doubt was cleared, and it's none other than August D, aka Min Yoongi of BTS.
So, Min Yoongi, aka Suga, aka August D, is back with a second mixtape called D2. And the name of the title song is Detswita, whatever that means, and I don't know how it's pronounced exactly. But yeah, the name of the song is Detswita, and the mixtape consists of I think 9 or 10 songs. So I'm kind of excited to listen to all of those. And like Niharika said before, that Big Hit started this countdown, and we like didn't know what to expect. We either thought that it might be JJK1 or August D2, and it's August D2. So everybody has gone crazy. Everybody on my timeline has gone wild, and I've seen some photos and it looks like a traditional music video, I guess. So I don't know what to expect, but I am hoping it's a diss track because you know it's August D, and no August D song is without curse words and diss, roasting, whatever you want to call it.
So before we move on to the reaction, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also share it with your friends.
And let's watch August D's Detswita in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Ooh, this looks like some king's royal court. Is he the king?
That's not a handbook, right?
Has he gone back in time? Damn, look at the set. Big Hit has gone all out on this production this time.
And black hair?
Yeah.
Even the cow is shook. Oh, just started with a bang. I love him in black hair.
Oh my god, I love his hair.
Oh, is that Subjit and Jungkook fighting? So are we getting other BTS members as well? Yeah, this car and his
Oh, the haters are bowing down to him. I like it. Okay. Flexing.
So is he like playing two characters, one as a king and one as just normal person? He looks handsome in both of the characters.
Oh man, look at him, man. Him and his black hair. I love it.
He's so good with words. This fit one reminds me of Vasa and his.
Oh my god, he literally dragged Bang PD in this. Oh my god, I can't believe this.
Why are his hands always tied up here? He looks so handsome.
Yes, you're the king and the boss. Yes. Is he the hater? The black haired Yoongi is the hater, I think, and the golden haired Yoongi is the king. Huh?
Everybody's vibing.
But okay, why is the black-haired Yoongi not wearing the same clothes as the others? Like, they are in the olden times, right? Then why is he wearing a jacket and jeans?
Oh, is he dead? He's not dead. He can't be dead. He's from Daegu.
Oh, okay, he has a gun now? Oh, please don't tell me he's gonna kill the king. No, 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 no.
Min Yoongi, world domination, let's go! Listen, before I move on to the main comments about like Agasti and Twechita, I want to talk about the Jin and Jungkook cameo. It was the funniest thing I've ever watched. I mean, funniest thing I've watched in 2020. It reminded me of that winter package, I guess, where Jin is like up on Jimin's face and Hosok just comes in and he's like it just reminded me of that and it made it more funnier. But moving on to the music video, I love the song. I think if you sang these lyrics or if you said those words to somebody, they will definitely cry, and that's what Min Yoongi did to all of us. And we all are we all are an emotional mess right now. So my theory is that Agasti 1, the blonde-haired Yoongi, is fighting with Agasti 2, the black-haired Yoongi, and the black-haired Yoongi killed Agasti 1, the blonde-haired one, meaning his past self, and that he has moved on from the problems he talked about in the first album. I guess that's what my theory is, but I don't know, it could be just like anything. But overall, the music video was pretty cool. It was very Yoongi, and the set kind of reminded me of that show where Taeyoung starred in, was it Warang? The sets looked quite similar, so that was pretty nice. And I read on Twitter about that scar thing on his eye, that in Korea, if you have a scar, you can't be a king. And Min Yoongi had a scar in this music video on both of his past and present self or whatever. And he broke that stereotype and he became the king and he became the boss and he is ready for world domination.
Okay, so it's time for some theories now. As you can see in the music video that there are two Yoongis apparently. One is the king and the other is the black-haired Yoongi, which I think has come from the future to kill the king Yoongi. And first he disguises himself as the commoner and roams around in the kingdom to maybe find some clues about what's happening and what the king is really doing, and maybe he is there to assassinate the king because the king keeps on murdering people. Maybe that's my theory. I don't know what's going on, but at the almost the end of the music video, the black-haired Yoongi gets caught and he's brought in front of the king and they try to kill him, but for some reason he doesn't get killed. Or maybe the king's servant who is assigned to kill the black-haired Yoongi doesn't really kill him, maybe because he knows where the black-haired Yoongi is from and maybe he's trying to help him. And there are a lot of possibilities which could happen. And yeah, for some reason the black-haired Yoongi doesn't get killed, and at the end the servant gives him a gun and black-haired Yoongi kills the King Yoongi. Like, everything is a mess, but all I understood from this music video is he's definitely bashing the haters. And can we talk about Jungkook's cameo in this music video? Like, Jin debuting as an actor. Oh my god, that was such great acting right there. Like, it wasn't even, they weren't even acting. Like, it was just so natural for them to just fight. Like, when you watch them on their real lives, they just keep fighting. It's hilarious to watch them fight, but obviously they don't fight for real. It's just bickering with each other, and it's funny. And of course the production of this music video was here. Like, if you remember the first August D music video, it was just a small set where he was just roaming around here and there, and there was one car behind him and the set was on fire. That's it, that was the set. But this time, if you look at it, oh my god, the set is on another level. I mean, look at those, look at his palace. Look at those people working. To build up such a huge set must have cost them a fortune, but it's Big Hit we are talking about. Big Hit is a flex on its own. I said it, but yeah, I absolutely love the music video. I absolutely love the song. I absolutely love the outfits they are wearing, and I absolutely definitely love Jungkook's cameo in this music video. Like, they stole my heart. And this was Daechwita, and I can't wait to listen to his whole album and bob to it. One of my friends told me that this album has Namjoon featuring in one of the songs, and which I'll be listening to right after this video because I can't wait and I'm super excited. And as always, August D, Min Yoongi has killed it. Hats off. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction and enjoyed the music video. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also comment down below which videos you would like us to react to next. Until next time, bye!